What's up, guys? The Brown Car Guy 5 here again, and today I'm going to walk around look on this 2007 Dodge Magnum SXT. This is going to be a full in-depth tour of the Magnum. Start the engine, show the exhaust clip, that shows the outside. And so without further ado, let's go ahead and start up, let it run. We'll hold it.
Let it run.
And hold it. Simple was that. The red exterior with the gray cloth interior. And awesome. Wow, headlights, fog lights, hazards. Both our windows are automatic. Now let's check the exterior, shall we? Just like that, Hemi. Let's open up this hood. Hemi 500 pound 4-liter V8. Yep, it looks like they're more, but they finally have another original. Yep, they got more an O. And it's like they are into 07 the Magnum, the 07 Magnum, and they have a beautiful major storage windows. Awesome. Cup holders right there, and your typical brake shift, but it's typical brakes. And let's see how this sounds too.
Miranda's educating me. Pigeons.
Pheasants. Did you send her the video of the Wegmans traffic jam?
I did not. Wegmans.
Awesome sounding car.
Is a new grocery store. And Mike said the geese were crossing the road and caused a traffic jam. He's off this week. I think he has to work Friday, so he'll go back Friday. He is. The next 2 weeks, he's there a lot. He has to work a lot, but before that, I think he only works like 2 days teaching, but he still has other duties he has to do. But he doesn't have to be. He doesn't know what he's going to do. I think that we should both work part-time and let him have more break. But I think he would rather work full-time. And I don't know, did you, I sent your mom a job for Mike up there where you guys are. Did she tell you? Yeah, it was emergency management. He would love that. He likes like the mass.
AM/FM radio with custom CD and player and
mass casualty, and he loves the fire department.
Why? In the past?
AM/FM radio with
I saw
CD
that,
player.
like they hire nurse practitioners for the emergency department and then just have doctors on call if needed.
Bella would say, I'm so cute, I can get away with anything.
My Maggie would say, are we having pizza? Mo would say, you're going somewhere? I'm coming too.
If you could read your dog's mind, what would they say? 7:55 Monday with the B Morning Show on B97.5.
Yeah, so I'm like your rock star there.
Yeah. Yeah. Looks like they're. And let's take a look at the back seat. And look at the back seat. Window storage. Cup holders. Broke ashtray. Oh my gosh, she had broken ashtray. And it's currently broken, but see how it is? It's like the 07 Magnum one. One that's ever like the 300 buddy ultimately.
All right, well, thank you for, Ryan, what do you want to tell Miranda?
Bye.
Bye, and thank you for
Yeah.
honking the horn.
Honking the horn, so yeah.
Yeah, he obviously liked that.
Yeah. Yeah. Garage home link, possession. And couple of
If it's a Tundra, those are
and
those are highly rated. And they tow a larger
wow.
amount on the smaller.
Nice back seat.
Yeah.
Awesome seating. Powerful seats. Windows, storage.
Yeah.
Currently, but this seat
Ryan,
has
the Toyota Tundra, what kind of horn does it have?
a regular horn
Oh, it has a regular horn.
and
Randy's Toyota, what kind of horn does it have?
a cute horn.
Yeah, it has a
Yeah.
cute horn.
Storage space.
All right, I'll talk to you later.
And
I'll talk to you later. Bye, Paisley. Bye.
well, guys, let's just take a startup walk around and exhaust tour look on this 2007 Dodge Magnum SXT.
Oh, I see.
No, lawnmower came from. Take care, guys.